So, kumusta naman? Saan tayo pupunta, Beshi?
Sa birthday party!
Okay, I'm with the family. Oo! Ay!
Hi mga kabeshi!
Nasa Mega Mall, kung saan. Ito naman ang familiar place ni Beshi, Josie.
And this is the way that I'm walking through.
Pili ko dyan tayo mabash.
I climb there and
Every day.
Yeah,
Every day is another day for her.
This is what you call pure gold. Absicon.
Alin? Gahanap pa kami ng ampaw, guys.
Yes. Dahil nga
medyo malaki yung ibibigay mo sa ampaw.
Pinapotocopy ko pa yun. Pinapotocopy.
Para makapal-kapal yung ginilagay. Colored pa yun, Beshi. Colored yung photocopy.
Oo, colored. So this is the situation of the Philippines.
Poverty?
Ano pala? Lait-lait. Miss Universe pa lang alaban.
This is the reality.
Yeah. If you go to Tondo, there are so many poor.
Cut! Okay, mga Beshi.
Ay, Beshi, kuha ko naman kay Kuya.
Sleep it. Oh,
Yari, oh.
O, hirap na naman ako. Oo, grabe. So, papunta kami ngayon kay Dumpling.
Dumpling?
Sa Malabon, Malabon City. So, here's with my auntie. My cousin. Hi, Kabeshi! Ayan. With my cousin and brother.
Yes.
So, ayan. Okay.
Puro ganun lang.
So, kumusta ka naman dyan, Beshi?
I'm good. I'm reserving my energy for later.
Yes. Let's go inside. Okay.
Happy birthday, Dumpling!
Happy birthday! So, now.
Ito po talaga si Dumpling. 18th birthday niya.
Ayan.
Mami.
Paakit kami kay Dumpling, guys. So, ito yung kanyang venue sa Casa Maria. Let's go down. Ay, let's go upstairs. Kaya so, okay. Kuya pa. Let's go meet the birthday girl.
Yes. Hi mga kabeshi!
Hi mga kabeshi! Ayan. Hi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Okay. Tama na. Hindi niya alam kung sinong... Hi! Diana! Actually, ano siya, mahirap ang pinagdaanan natin.
14 ka pa lang, may anak ka na.
Pero ang masaya niyan, lumaki siyang maayos. Kahit po, nailabas ko siya ng healthy. Tingnan nyo naman. Diba?
It's about the baby.
Ang hirap maging batang ina, guys. Ito ang...
Nalulula na, kakabidyo.
I know.
Who's that? Who's that girl? Close the door, close the door.
Oh, close. Para mas maganda po.
Everybody say you guys want happy birthday to you. Keep louder, guys. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, one more time. We clap our hands. Happy birthday to you. Everybody say, come on. Happy
Salamat po sa pagpunta at enjoy po sa ating first birthday na pin-prepare po ni Mommy and Daddy para kay Gianna. So enjoy lang po tayo. And again, libre po ang entrance, 500 po ang exit fee. Maraming salamat po.
Sir. Okay, malaman natin si Daddy. Okay, picture po muna sila, sir. Ayan, family picture muna. Okay, once again, everybody clap your hands.
Lumaki siya na mabait, masunodin,
Uy, ko yan, tiyak na.
makapagmahal sa magulang.
Oo, na pala.
Ayan lang po.
Oh my God, parang anak ko.
Okay, next na lang. Kayo naman po.
Wala na kasi background music, naiiyak pa ako niya. Iyakin ang lola niya. Ang wish ko kay Gianna ay siya ay galing sa Panginoon. She's really a...
Hey! That's gonna be happy. Hey! That's gonna be good. Parang baka naman!
Okay, sobrang competitive po ng ating kabeshi.
It's a game.
She will be playing the adult
Boy, sir,
game.
pangalan mo? Stanley.
Power.
Louis. Joy. Okay. Ayan.
Nasaan na po si Jerome? Nakita ko po si Jerome.
Group number 2, wala na. Okay, pabilisan po Okay, ready tayo guys?
Sorry ka.
Okay, group number 1, are you ready? Apo, yung mga nasa unahan lang, sir, ma'am, yung nasa unahan, bago niyo po sabihin yung words, kailangan na-shoot niyo na po yung ball, ha? Isushoot po muna, okay? Alright, okay, ready? Okay, group number 1, are you ready? Okay, group number 2, are you ready? Okay, ready tayo guys? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and go! Okay, sige po. Okay. Ayan, sige, ito po yung mic hindi mauna. Baboy. Okay. Ayun muna natin. Let's go, girls! Ayan na, sir. Sige po. Natin kung sino pinakabilis.
Ikaw nga pala eh.
All done mga kabeshis!
Like, share, and subscribe! Ngani!
Bye!
Wala na kami energy na naman mga
Everyone,
kabeshi.
okay. Makati na ulit kami.
Yes.
Nakauwi lang from Malabon.
Malabon City!
Yeah, tapos ng birthday party nito.
Yes! Happy birthday, Dumpling!
Huwag kang mag-alala, meron kang gardenia.
Huwag kayong mag-alala, mayroon kang gardenia.